My name is Xander Snell. I'm the director of SAE Miami. SAE started in 1976, founded by Dr. Tom Misner, as a single location that was designed to teach people sound engineering. SAE spread throughout the world from I think it's, what is it, 5 in the US to 49, I believe, worldwide. I'm a former freelance sound engineer who was mainly self-taught, and then went to SAE to further my own career and wound up working for SAE in various roles, mainly in Europe and now in the US as well. Well, most of my engineering career was in Germany, which means that you probably won't have heard of a lot of the bands that I recorded. But a lot of those projects that I was working on were in budget range or smaller professional studios, with a few exceptions in bigger rooms, including rooms with SSLs, knees, and similar caliber kind of consoles.
And what are some of the major changes that you've seen take place in that time as far as audio engineering is concerned?
Well, the introduction and growth of Pro Tools was one of the big ones. Generally the change from analog to digital technology for a lot of fields. The introduction of a lot of computers in audio engineering and all the benefits and problems that that brings along. A change from an industry that relied on professionals working on very expensive equipment to people who can do things in their own bedroom studios with equipment that costs a fraction of what the old systems used to cost.
Since you've seen this big changeover, now they're starting with all the benefits and problems of a computer. What are some of the things that you really need to communicate to them to be quality engineers?
Well, I think one of the first things that you need to communicate to them is the fact that it doesn't matter what equipment you're actually using. It's far more important to understand the workflows, to understand how to get a job done, and then the tool, whether it's analog or digital, almost becomes irrelevant. If you know what you need to achieve and you have an idea of what it should sound like, then you can do it with almost any tool.